Hi folks, Con here from Audio Advisor, and today we're going to be talking about a new brush from AudioQuest. AudioQuest has had a record brush out for some time now, but they decided to come up with something new, and this is that brush. It is the AudioQuest Conductive LP brush. Now, some of the really cool features to this brush is, for one thing, is the amount of fibers that it has. There's actually 624,000 individual fibers on this brush. They're arranged in a 2-row configuration to offer a greater surface area, so when it's cleaning your LPs, it does a better job of getting that deep dirt on your LP record. So the name, Conductive LP, kind of gives it away to the second feature that this record brush has, and that's its ability to dissipate the static buildup that is on your LP. So not only is the 624,000 fibers going to do a better job of getting the dirt out of the grooves of your LP, but the brush itself is going to help dissipate some of that static buildup, keeping your records cleaner for longer.